Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw Polly, a pet parrot. First, let's draw the shape of Polly's body. Then, her eyes. Hairs on the top of her head. Let's draw her big beak. Then her tail. And her feet. Are you excited? Let's add color to Polly Parrot together. Polly Parrot has light blue feathers on her head, a red tail, and green feathers overall. Her beak is yellow. She's the pet bird owned by Grandpa and Granny Pig. She copies everything that people say to her. Do you like to have a parrot as pet? I would like to have one too. What name would you give a parrot if you were to own one? That is a beautiful name. Polly is happy to see you. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.